Why doesn't our skin look as good as it did when we were a baby? Yes, of course, because of age, but what does that really mean? The truth is, the regeneration rate of our skin progressively slows down as we get older. But what does regeneration truly mean? It's just the replacing of old skin cells with new ones. Her skin regenerates every 7 days. That means all of her skin cells are completely new every week. What if it was possible to restore that regeneration rate that you had when you were a baby? Now you can with the Personal Microderm from PMD. These are some of my friends. How old are you ladies?
I'm 25.
I'm 40.
And I'm 60 years young.
As a general rule, the number of your age is approximately the number of days it takes for your skin to regenerate. Here's how it works. First, exfoliation. The Personal Microderm uses a patented spinning disc embedded with aluminum oxide crystals to remove that dead, dull skin that creates a barrier on the top layer of your skin, hiding the glowing, vibrant, younger skin underneath it. This creates a microabrasion on the skin and essentially triggers your skin to regenerate more quickly, just like a baby's. Second, vacuum suction. The Personal Microderm's perfectly calibrated vacuum suction pulls blood to the surface of your skin, promoting your body's natural collagen production. This means not only having smoother skin, but also a more vibrant, youthful look. And if you're like me, you've put moisturizer on at night and walked around the house fanning your face, waiting for it to dry or evaporate, that's because your skincare is just sitting on the surface of your skin. With the Personal Microderm, you remove that barrier and prepare your skin for deeper absorption. In fact, with the dead, dull skin removed, your skincare can now penetrate up to 20 times deeper. All of that is capable with this amazing little device. I promise you, the first time you use this, your skin will be softer and smoother. And with just a couple minutes once a week, you're going to start to see real, lasting results. Learn more by clicking the link to pmdbeauty.com. So what does it mean if your skin isn't regenerating weekly? It means wrinkles, age spots, blemishes, and dullness. That's what aging looks like. But with the Personal Microderm, you can slow the aging process by increasing your skin's regeneration rate. All 3 of these ladies can start regenerating their skin every 7 days, just like a baby. And you can too. Go get yours at pmdbeauty.com. The Personal Microderm has proven the test for over 1 million customers, and these transformations taken just 2 months apart say it all. Here's what some customers have had to say about it.
The PMD is one of the tools that have just totally changed my skin.
Oh my God!
It helped my skin feel like nice and fresh.
My skin tone has never been this even before.
It has made such a difference.
So easy to use.
I use this now about like once a week and I'm obsessed with it. I love it.
Needless to say, they all love it. But it's also carried in top luxury retailers around the world and has been featured in the industry's most trusted publications such as InStyle, Vogue, Allure, and is adored by thousands of beauty influencers. Don't trust me? Just Google it. So if you're ready for younger skin within weeks, go to pmdbeauty.com right now and treat yourself to the Personal Microderm. I promise your skin will thank you with newfound radiance.